Hello, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial using some new products I got from Glossier, Charlotte Tilbury and Beauty Pie. I have already prepped my skin and I'll put a link in my bio with all the products that I've used so you can see how I got this dewy complexion. I'm going to go straight into it. I'm going to start with my concealer. This is by Glossier and this is their Stretch Concealer in G9. Pretty good match. Their site's quite good for matching color. This is the limited edition Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Eye Filter, and these colors are incredible. I am really excited to use this. I'm going to go ahead and start with the prime color, which is this. These are all sort of, I don't know, like an iridescent sort of shimmery consistency. I'm going to use this enhanced color in the crease. Going in with the define color, I'm going to define. I'm going to line my eyes with my Urban Decay Whiskey liner. This is the 24/7 Glide On eyeliner. And then taking a pencil flat liner brush, I'm going to wing that out a bit. Then I'm going to take Smoke over that and pop that onto that liner. And into that crease a bit. Using a bit of that prime again, I'm going to pop that into the center of the eye to pick up some highlight. Moving over to my skin, I'm using my sheer tinted oil-free SPF tinted moisturizer. Did I say that? I don't know. By Beauty Pie. I hope this is the right color, because I haven't used it before, so we'll see how it goes. Might be a bit warm. I can handle that. Going back in with my Stretch Concealer. I'm going to conceal underneath the eyes and anywhere I have any redness. While my skin is setting, I'm just going to go back in with that mid-tone from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. I'm going to tight line my eye with the Whiskey liner. I'm going to give the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes a go for the first time. See how that is. That is some serious lash game there. That is literally one coat of mascara and it's made such a difference. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with my Kiko Tuscan Sunshine Duo. I have two colours here. I've got a brown and a blonde. One is 04 and one is 03. I'm going to start with the 03. It has a felt tip and a pencil tip. I'm going to go in with the felt tip. I need it compact to see though. I now want to go in with blusher. I'm using my Glossier Cloud Paint and this colour is in Eve. I think it's one of their new colours. Now I learnt my lesson the other day, gave it a good squeeze and loads came out. Don't do that. You just need a tiny little bit and I'm just going to use the bottom just to push up a little bit of product. And that's all I'm going to put on my fingers. It's probably too much. Beautiful colour. Warming up the skin with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. This one's in medium. I just want to take down a little bit of the shine with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This one's in number 2. Just a little bit down the T-zone. Just a little bit underneath the eye area. The Conspiracy Lip Pencil, it's a 24/7 Glide On by Urban Decay. Just want to line my lips just a tiny bit, just to fill them a little bit. Then I'm going to use the Beauty Pie Wonder Gloss Collagen Lip Oil in Nude Nectar. This is new, I've not used it before, but I'm quite excited. That is gorgeous. It smells so nice. That is my Valentine's Day look. I used a lot of neutral colours, which I didn't buy all these colours together to go together. I just liked them individually, but they worked really well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This would be a really lovely bridal look as well. So I might have to recreate that on a bride. It's really, really lovely, really wearable colours, but they just feel really glamorous. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you have a awesome Valentine's Day this weekend. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.